Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're drawing the development for the prism that is shown on the left of the screen. In the previous video, we drew this prism in uh, 2D views. So we highly encourage you to visit that video after you have completed watching this one. At CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be looking at the development of the prism. So on the screen, we have the front elevation and plan for the prism. What we're going to do, we're going to add the dimension for the height here. So that is 90. We're going to move it away a little bit from the drawing. All right. All right, we're going to indicate the thickness in the plan. So we're going to measure this measurement here to there, and that's 20 millimeters. Okay. We're going to move this in line with the 20 millimeters there. All right, good. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to our text layer, and we're going to go single line text, and we'll be unfolding the object on this side, right, which is the prism. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn off snap, and we're going to label, going to turn off object snap A. So 6 millimeter height, rotational angle 0. This point would, we're going to label here A, B, C, C, D. All right. So if we label these measurements on the front elevation, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the A, and I'm going to move the word front elevation, the label front elevation, away from the drawing. So we're going to select the object, press enter. We're going to select this as a base point. We're going to turn on snap. I'm going to put it right there. Good. A on the front elevation, what we're going to do, we're going to label it on the front elevation. So we're going to turn off snap, and A, this would be 6, enter rotational angle 0. And right here would be A slash B. Right here would be C slash D. Okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to center the drawing right there. Good. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a construction line going towards the right. All right? So we're going to go, we're going to turn on snap. We're going to go from this point where this is labeled. We're going to come across. I'm going to shift over the drawing a little bit. Enter. We're going to draw another line from the top there. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to measure 20 millimeters over to get what we're doing. We're drawing the side AB. All right. So 20 millimeters over. We're going to go line. This will be 20 millimeters. Enter. Then we're going to go up, which is what? 90 millimeters. Enter. So this point would be B. All right, so let me label it for single line text. We're going to turn off snap. So right here, enter to accept the default of 6 millimeters, 0 rotational angle. This point here is B. All right. All right. So coming across now, this we're going to measure BC, which is what? 70. So from here, we're going to turn on object snap. We're going to pick up this point. We're going to measure 70 millimeters over, enter, and then we're going to go up 90 millimeters, enter. enter. So this point would be C. I'm gonna go single line text. I'm gonna turn off snap. This point would be C. All right. All right. So we're at C. We're gonna we need to put the D right here. All right. So let us go single line text. I'm gonna turn off object snap right here. This point is D. All right, so we have C, we need D now. So we're going to draw a line, which is what? We're going to turn on object snap. This point will be 20 millimeters to the right of C. Enter, then we're going to go up 90 millimeters. Enter. All right, so this point is D. So let me label D for you. Single line text. I'm going to turn off object snap. Right here, this point would be D. All right, so D to A, now we need D to A. So D to A is 70 millimeter, which is this line. All right, so we're going to draw a line from D. Going to turn on object snap. This will be 70 millimeters, enter, and then we're going to go up 90 millimeters, enter. All right, so this point would be A. So we go single line text. Going to turn off object snap. This point would be A. All right, enter. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my outline layer, which we created in the previous part one of the series of videos covering how to draw a 2D, how to draw 2D views from a 3D view, which was the previous video that we looked at. All right, so we're going to go now line. Going to turn on object snap, and we're going to go here to there to there to there, enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the lines for the folding, where the folds would be, right? So we're going to go, we're going to represent those by hidden detail lines, okay? They can be either solid or hidden, but we're going to put them in hidden detail lines today. So this line, enter, this line, enter, this line, enter. These are where the you would fold the object, okay? All right, what we can actually do is we're going to lock the hidden line. I'm going to turn them off. All right. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to put these three lines on the construction layer. All right, so we're going to put those on the construction layer. And if we turn off the construction layer, we're going to lock it and turn it off. What those construction lines which were below the hidden detail lines are now not shown. So I can turn on the hidden now. And there you won't see the lines in between the hidden detail line. Okay? All right. So what we have now is this is a development, okay? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the lid and the base on the top of the development and the lower part of the development. So I'm actually going to draw the top view, which is a plan view, A, B, C, D, anywhere along here. All right, I'm going to put it right here. So we're going to go outline. I'm going to draw a line coming up from here. It will be what, 20 millimeters to the north, enter. This will be what? 70 millimeters coming over, enter. And come down 20 millimeters, enter. Enter again. Are we going to do the same thing below? So we're going to go, we'll have to move B, all right? So we're going to come down 20 millimeters, enter. I'm going to come across 70 millimeters, enter. I'm going to go 20 millimeters, enter. All right? We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw development for a prism. So in the next video, we'll be continuing the drawing, and we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.